Hello everyone, welcome to today's micro class. Previously we learned how to use an Italian coffee machine and grinder. Today we'll be learning together the first part of the Italian coffee trilogy, Espresso, grinding and extraction. Speaking of coffee, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Cappuccino, latte, Americano, caramel macchiato. All of these are based on espresso by mixing milk, water, chocolate, fruits, and other ingredients. Thus, they all belong to the big family of Italian coffee. Espresso is also called espresso. It's the foundation of common coffee drinks, known as the soul of coffee. Its highly concentrated nature gives it an intense flavor. Let's take a look at what espresso is. Espresso is coffee extracted in 20 to 30 seconds with water temperature at 90 under 8 to 10 atmospheres of pressure, yielding 30 milliliters of coffee liquid. Espresso is the exclusive term for concentrated coffee. In Italy, it not only means concentrated coffee, but also implies quick preparation and being made just for you. What is grinding? Grinding is the process of crushing roasted coffee beans, called grinding. So how should we determine the appropriate coarseness of coffee grounds, the precise scale range? When we have no concept of the proper grind size, we can use flour and granulated sugar as references. Coffee grounds should be between these two. The numbers on the grinder are what we need to adjust. The higher the number, the coarser the grind. The lower the number, the finer the grind. The grind level allows water to pass through at an appropriate speed, better extracting the aroma and flavor of coffee. After setting the grind size, we will proceed with the extraction. Extraction is the key step in brewing a perfect cup of coffee. If you observe the coffee flowing too quickly, with a short extraction time, it indicates the coffee grounds are too coarse, resulting in under-extraction. When the coffee flows too slowly, with prolonged extraction time, it clearly shows the coffee grounds are too fine, leading to over-extraction. These factors require students to observe carefully through practice, with an artisan's pursuit of perfection. During the grinding process, feel the changes in coarseness, pay attention to details, and make multiple adjustments to ensure consistent coffee flavor. So how can we evaluate the quality of an espresso? Let's take a look together at the specific brewing parameters. Now let's learn together the standardized operating procedure for espresso. Step 1. Preparation. Preparation requires preheating the coffee machine. Typically, an espresso machine needs about 30 minutes for the water temperature to reach standard. We also need to prepare coffee beans, an espresso machine with grinder, coffee scale, and serving cups. Step 2. Grinding coffee. First, adjust the grind size. The grind size for espresso should be similar to fine salt, 350 milliliters range. After adjustment, move the portafilter flexibly to ensure even distribution of grounds, avoiding excessive spillage during grinding. When spilled grounds are noticed, use a large brush to clean promptly. Always maintain a clean counter. This is basic professional etiquette. Step 3. distribution, and tamping. When the grounds form a small mound in the portafilter, we can use a distributor for even distribution, then apply firm pressure with the tamper, pressing straight down at 90 degrees. Smooth the surface of the grounds. In the portafilter basket, lift up and wipe off excess grounds around the portafilter. During tamping, the most important thing is achieving a level surface. Otherwise, it will cause uneven extraction. Step 4. After heating the coffee machine for extraction, for the first extraction, release the overly cool water first. When water falls into the drip tray, use a cleaning cloth to wipe away water stains. Wait a few more seconds before starting extraction. Prepare the cup first. Then insert the coffee portafilter into the group head of the espresso machine. Begin extraction immediately after installation. During extraction, there should be no movement for the first few seconds. Then it should start flowing smoothly, producing a thin stream of dark brown espresso. The color becomes lighter in later stages. The entire process takes about 20 to 30 seconds. Stop extraction before it turns pale golden. Otherwise, the espresso will taste bitter. But don't stop too early either, or it will taste too sour. The quality of espresso extraction depends on the coffee grind size, the evenness and density of tamping, water temperature, extraction pressure, and time. All these factors must be perfect, which actually requires long-term practice to master. For a good cup of espresso, the barista's skill accounts for over half. Step 5. Serving the coffee. Use a serving tray. Present the prepared espresso to guests. Step 6. Cleaning and sanitation. After removing the portafilter and discarding grounds, rinse it immediately and clean the group head with a small brush. Use the cleaning cloth from the drip tray to wipe away excess water stains. The espresso machine should be cleaned. After each use, backflushing should also be performed. After 30 to 40 extractions, perform thorough backflushing with descaling agent. Proper maintenance extends machine lifespan. Good cleaning habits should be practiced by every student. Now let's review some common mistakes during preparation. When grinding and dosing, excessive coffee grounds. We should move the portafilter flexibly to ensure even coffee distribution. Apply layered pressure with palm and fingers. We should follow 3 partitioning methods. Avoid applying downward pressure on the coffee bed to prevent uneven distribution of grounds. Arm not aligned with tamper during pressing. Tamping with tilted tamper, resulting in slanted coffee bed. Forgot to flush group head. Started extraction without cup. Immediately rinse group head after removing portafilter. To help students remember better, the teacher created a mnemonic rhyme, believed that by memorizing this rhyme while reciting it, and through intensive practice, students will quickly master the skills of making espresso. Prepare thorough cleaning. Adjust grind size properly. Partition and tamp for extraction. Compare with quality standards. Remember to keep everything pristine. Therefore, students need diligent practice to balance various influencing factors. In coffee making, the process of grinding and tasting coffee parallels that of refining life, and savoring life's varied experiences. They share remarkable similarities. Brewing a rich cup of coffee is like cultivating a meaningful life. Both require abundant patience, strict procedures, and pursuit of excellence. Students, consider this. What other coffee drinks can we make? With our well-prepared espresso,